guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. This past weeks I've been so busy because it's we call it high season for all the restaurants, and as a server we don't have much time to I don't have much time to film, and there's some changes in our daily routine. That's why I don't have time to film like three times in a week. So, but what I will share today is I will open my coin jar. This is a year of savings, my $5 coins and my $10 coins. So I always use it as a method of saving without knowing how much I save. So I'm doing it yearly, and I will put the link up there so you will know last how much I saved last year. So without further ado, let's open it up. So this is my Apple coin jar. This consists of my $5 coins. You see, I put it, no touch, don't touch. This past few weeks, I've been so busy and not enough sleep because of the. Okay, let's take it out. I just put this crochet table mat that I made long time ago, so that it will not be noisy. Okay, let's check it out. How much do you think I will save here? Please comment so that we'll know how much. Okay. So my first video 2 years ago is about this coin jar as well, and I will. It's going to be my second year in YouTube, and second year of sharing you guys how I save and how I budget our savings. So let's me start counting this, and I will get back to you. Okay, I will do it like this on this side so that I can put this one here. Can you see it? Yeah, okay. So bear with me. Two, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the first jar, my apple jar, my apple corn jar. How much how much inside here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 655. Yay! So let's open the second jar. So this one is a combination of $10 coins and $5 coins. So let's open it up and count it again. So let's count first. One. Okay, I will stop this first and I will get back to you. So it's only $10 left here and some $5. Let's see. If you still remember, how do you start saving? So for me, I start saving with coins, with a piggy bank, with a coin jar, because that's what my grandmother taught me, because she's a saver also. She keeps saving coins since she's not a spender, and I grew up with her. So so for me, I start saving. It's all start with the coins, And as we go further, as the piggy bank go or the coin jar get full, and we save more. So a little goes a long way. So for you, if you want to start saving, start with a smaller amount and continue consistently save whatever you can save, and later on you will see you will save maybe much more than this one. So let's continue. So how much this? Two, four, one, two, three, 35. Let's separate this one. So let's go with the $10 coins. $10 coins in Hong Kong is nearly, we cannot see much of this one. It's more on a paper note. So maybe a few years later, we cannot see these coins anymore. So sorry about my voice because I'm under the weather and I don't have enough rest last night. So I filming it today morning time, and I only sleep a few hours. That's why. So I just want to share something to you before I do the unstopping my saving challenges and others. So let's start with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's now 1,000, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, I nearly resigning from my job now because I don't have time for my family. Only go home and sleep and then go back to work. I don't even have time to talk with them. But anyway, life must go on. We have to accept that we need to work to live, not live to work. Okay, but I will do something better next time. I will do what's my best for my family, and for now I can still stay with my job, but let's see later on if I can still do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I miss doing YouTube videos. I miss filming. I miss watching. That's why and I do, and filming and sharing you my journey is what makes me happy. But at the moment, yeah, the job is stopping me from doing filming. Okay, let's count. Oh, sorry. This what's so 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,400, 1,400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1,520. Yay! I saved 1,520. Yay! So you can save more than what I saved. And you never know, maybe you save more than, you never know how much you save when you haven't counted yet. But you see, I saved 1,520. Yeah. So I hope what I share now give motivates you to save also. Saving a little goes a long way. So I will change it into notes and I'll let you know where I will put this on my sinking fund. So before I leave, before I stop this video, thank you so much for all your help and support, and God bless you. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thank you for my 500 subscribers. Thank you so much. I will do something for that. So just wait for it. God bless you all. Love you. Bye. 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 Bye.